seems na most of her life, Claudia Coronel has been waiting for true love to finally arrive. Ngunit sa pagdating ni Andy Zhang sa buhay niya, Claudia was given the chance to realize her dreams and so much more.
Kasi tinanong ko talaga sa sarili ko, siya ba talaga o ano? Kung tatanayin ko yung isip ko o yung mind ko, mahirap kasi yun nga, nag-travel yung fiancé ko. Pero pag tinanong ko yung puso ko, siya talaga ang gusto kong kasalan.
We actually decided to get married a long time ago because I don't know anything about showbiz. I didn't expect now so many people would be asking me about the engagement ring. You know, from where I'm from, people don't give engagement ring, they just get married. So I know, you know, Claudia, she enjoys, you know, walking around, driving around, traveling around. So I thought, you know, a car would be a good one.
Claudia and Andy gave Showbiz Central the chance upang makasama sila hours before officially tying the knot sa isang seremonyang matagal ring inabangan at pinagplanuhan ni Claudia.
Kinakabahan, natatakot, masaya. Masaya kasi talaga asing kompleto. Nandito yung family ko, mga kaibigan ko. Kasi nalulungkot din dahil siyempre alam niyo naman na panganay ako. Inaalala ko rin siyempre yung family ko. Ay, family ko, paano na yung ano ko. Alam niyo yung mga kapatid ko. Curious ako kung ano itsura ng fiancé ko ngayon. Kung gwapo ba siya. Kasi hindi naman sa showbiz, di ba? Tama ba yung ayos niya?
Oh, I promised that many, many times. Her dad keep asking me, Andy, what are you going to do with my daughter? Sir, I'll take good care of her. Don't worry. I'll take good care of her. Honey, I love you. I'm excited we're getting married today. Mahal kita.
And with those sentiments in tow, Claudia and Andy's big day finally arrived. As soon as Claudia stepped out mula sa isang silver vintage Rolls Royce,
as a symbol of the true and everlasting love for you.
despite the nerves and anticipation, masayang ipinahiwatig ni na Claudia at Andy ang kanilang pagmamahalan sa harap ng kanilang pamilya at mga kaibigan. At matapos ang madamdaming seremonya, they were also witness to Mr. and Mrs. Zhang's unique twist sa kanilang first dance.
Di man namin nabigay sa kanya yung lahat-lahat. Siya pa nga nagbigay sa amin eh. Kaya sana success and God bless.
Hindi, halin mo talaga anak ko, huwag mo saktan. Yun lang hinihingi ko, hindi huwag mo saktan anak ko.
To share in their joy, dumalo rin ang pamilya ni Andy upang i-welcome si Claudia sa kanilang buhay. It seems that in choosing an around the world theme, naipakita rin ng dalawa na hindi man naging madali ang pagsasama nila, they are quite confident in the fact that they can truly look forward to their new journey through life together.
Yeah, thank you for your love. When we travel again down the road called life, I hope, you can tolerate my weakness. I mean, sometimes I'm not that patient, but please believe I truly love you and I want to take care of you.
I believe in that. Okay, I promise that I will try. I will try to to understand everything. As I have to support you and I love you so much.